first of all, double click on the Tally Prime icon as shown on your desktop screen. So I am opening my Tally Prime. As the Tally get open, we have to select the alphabet T as a shortcut key to continue in educational mode. So as and when I enter in the Tally Prime, you can see the screen here shows the list of companies that are open, currently open now. So the current period of this company, of this Adarsh company, is 1st April till 31st March 2021, and the current date is 1st April 2020. So this company is currently opened in my Tally. If I want to shut this company, what I have to do, I have to go to the company option. So for the company, the two ways I have is either I'll click here on the company or I'll use the shortcut key. And what will be the shortcut key? Tell me. Yes, it's Alt K. So I am pressing here Alt K together, and you can see here the options like create, alter, change, select or shut. So first option we have to practice is a shut company, that I want to close this company for now. So for that, what I can do, there are three ways that I can shut my company. Is you can see here H as an alphabet, that I can use the shortcut key, or I can press Control and F3 together, or I can just enter on this option so that this will get shut automatically. So I am pressing here the enter, and this is again confirming me and asking me that yes, you want to shut the company Adarsh. So I am selecting here by pressing enter over here. As and when I enter, now you can see there are no company open right now. So this is how you can shut the company. First step. Second step is you can create a new company as well. So now the next we have is our create company. So for create company, simply go to the create company option by upward key on your keyboard and press enter. As and when I press enter, this will navigate me to the next form where I have to provide the details of the company that I want to create. So first of all, if I press backspace option from my keyboard, then you can see here there is a company data path. So what is company data path? This is the directory or the way that you can reach to your Tally Prime data. So this is C drive. Your data is going to save in C drive. In the folder users, there will be a subfolder in the name of public, and after that there will be tally.erp9 folder, and then this is data. You can also rewrite the path as per your choice. What I'm going to do, I'm going to change this with, I'm going to write here public slash Tally Prime over here, and then I am providing here my name Komal. So this way I can find the data of my company. I'll show you later on. Remember the path, remember the way from which we can extract our data. So after this, I am pressing here over the enter. This is my path, and after that, now the next option we have is our company name. I am providing here Komal and Sons. Komal and Sons. Now the next you have to provide here your mailing name, the company's mailing name. Now the address you have to provide. I am providing here the address. And after that you have to select your state, your country, your PIN code, and after that your mobile number. Then you have to give the mobile number, your fax, your email address, I'm providing here edlifeworld@gmail.com, and then providing here my website, and then you have to provide here the financial year begins from is your 1st April, the books beginning from date. I have explained you in my theoretical lectures that what's the difference between the financial year begin from and books beginning from. Once again, I'm telling you, financial year begins from means in which you are starting your work, but books beginning from means the date from where your business gets started, the transactions of your business get started. For example, if you had done any inauguration of your business on 1st October 2020, then you need not to write here 1st April 2020 in books beginning from. You must write 1st October 2020. But in financial year begins from, you have to write 1st April 2020, because all the transaction belongs to that particular financial year begins from date. So there will be no change in financial year begins from, but the date of books beginning from may vary from financial year begins from. Now the next we have is security. See, I'll be telling you in my further lectures that how you can set the security keys for your Teleprime data. So I'll be telling you how you can set the password for the company's data. Right now I'm providing here no, and after that provide the base currency symbol, that is rupees. The formal name is Indian rupee, that is your INR. If you want to suffix symbol to your amount, then press yes, otherwise say no. Suffix symbol to amount means that is it will show you rupees 1 lakh, rupees 1,50,000. So I am pressing here yes. Done. Now the next you have is add space between amount and symbol. If you want to add some space between the amount and symbol, yes, obviously we provide some space when we write anything. Why? Because it is much more clear and there is no more confusion left when we provide some of the space. So I'm providing here yes. Do you want to show amount in millions? I'm providing here no. But in the international transactions, we most of the time provide the amount in millions only. But right now I am providing here no. Now the number of decimal places in our rupee currency is 2. Why there is 2 decimal places? Because we can provide the paise in up to 99. If I say 100 paisa, then what you will call me? It's 1 rupee, ma'am. It's not 100 paisa. So how up to how much decimal places I can count up to paise? That is 2 decimal places, 1 place and 2nd place, that is up to 99 paisa. So I am providing here 2. Now the word representing amount after decimal is, you know na, what we provide is 1,50,000 rupees and 50 paisa. So we are providing here the formal name for that amount after decimal is paise. And now number of decimal places for amount in words. After word in words as well, if I write my amount in words as well, I'll be providing it up to 2 decimal places only. After providing each and every information as asked in the form, you have to press enter and select. Either you can select yes by clicking here on yes option, or you can just simply press enter to accept the screen, to accept the form. As and when you accept the form, this will take you to further features of your company that are applicable to your company. See, here you can see the multiple features available to you on your screen, but I'll be explaining each and every of the feature in my former lectures one by one, as and when we'll move further step by step and transaction by transaction. If I'll explain you each and everything right now, this all will get mangled up. So I'm not explaining you right now. You just simply have to accept it, and for direct exception of the screen, you have to press Control and A, alphabet A key both together. So I'm pressing Control A and this screen will get automatically accepted. Now you can see my company Komal and Sons has been successfully created for the period 1st April 2020 till 31st March 2021. So this is how you can create a fresh company. Now, if suppose I had done any mistake over here in creating my company, I have to write and in spite of this, what's that? This symbol. So what I can do, I can alter the company. So how you can alter the company? See, there is an option shown on the Gateway of Tally screen as well. You can alter it, but mind this, remember this alter key is not the key for the alteration of your company data. See, this key is not available to alter the company details of the forms that you had filled over there. This alter is available to alter the masters of your company. So from where you can alter the company details, the basic company details, again you have to go to company, that is Alt K, and from here you can select the option alter. I am selecting the alter key, and after that you have to alter, as I am writing again Komal and Sons, and after that I am accepting all the things as it was. So for that, either I have the option that I'll press enter and then accept the screen, or I have option that I'll press the key control A together to accept it directly. So I'm pressing control A and this will get automatically saved. So I had done with the alteration. This is about shutting of company, creating of company, and alteration of company. Now the last we are left with is deleting of company. How you can delete any of the company from your system or from the company's Tally data. So before that, I'll be showing you the directory that we had provided earlier where our data actually lies. So for that, what I'm going to do, I'm just minimizing it over here, and I'm going to this PC from my desktop screen and selecting here the C drive. C drive, we had provided C drive, then what we had provided users, then public, and after that Tally Prime, and then Komal. This was my directory path, the data path. So this is the company that data lies within. So here is the company from where I can copy the data, I can restore the data, or I can take the data anywhere as I want. So remember, this was my Tally data path. You can see it, and now you can do it as well, and you can check. Now we are coming back to the Tally Prime, and here the next option we have is deleting the company. For that, again go to company option. Here again select the alter option, and in alter, for deleting the company, simply press Alt D, D for Delhi. So Alt key and D key together. When you press both the keys together, this will ask you, you want to delete the company? Yes. So press Y over here and you will get to delete your company. Now this is showing that in this particular path, that is C drive, users, public, Tally Prime, Komal, in this folder there is no company left within. Now if I again go to the same folder and I'll check, is there any data lie over here? C drive, then users, then public, and now we are with the Tally Prime, Komal, but there is no data found. Why there is no data found? Because we had deleted the data from the Tally Prime. So are you clear with all the options that how we can create the company, how we can shut the company that is currently opened in our system, how we can alter the company, or how we can delete the company? So this is about the basic 4 things that you can do with the company. I suggest you please practice these four functions, these four features in your Tally Prime software